Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brent and today I am in the beautiful island of Peruse. It's one of the Greek islands here, and I will be renting a moped. I actually haven't recorded for a few days. Just been relaxing, hanging out and enjoying myself. I'm currently staying at this little campground, so it's been kind of hot, so I've really just been like laying low and not doing a whole bunch. But today I'm actually gonna rent a moped and travel the island of Paros and go check a few things out. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and if you guys do, please make sure to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It does help out a lot for me as a little channel growing. I appreciate any response and any comments and feedback that you guys give me. So this goal of this video is trying not to say the word as much. I noticed in a lot of my previous videos I've been doing it a lot, so I'm gonna do my best to not do it. I'm sure you'll hear me go to say it and I'm gonna skip it out. We're gonna do the best to try to get rid of that word and sound more proper as I record videos for you guys. Otherwise, enjoy your guys' day, because today is gonna be absolutely amazing, and just remember that. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Time warp to this new city called La Flex. We're here to see a church and a few other things, so I'll take you guys along. Maybe throw the drone up and you guys can see the city from above. It's very hot today, so we'll take you along, give you guys a little tour of this beautiful city, and then take you along for a ride on our moped. So I will see you guys in a moment when we go take a look at this church and take a little walk around the city, and I'll bring you guys along. Okay, so we're at the church, and it's called Agia Tresia. I don't know the full history behind it, but it's one of the older churches here. The cemetery down here, which we'll walk through, and I'll show you guys and give you guys a few glimpses of it. Yeah, take you guys along. '73. Wow. 76. (1913 to 2008). Okay, so now we're in the city of Narusa, which is a pretty cool little city. Check all these fancy little shit out. We came here, stopped here, grab some food, so we'll eat, and then we're gonna go somewhere else. Okay, I spotted this little castle thing down here, so we're gonna walk down here, hopefully not get too wet. Woo. Oh, it's beautiful here. Sorry about the wind. Random launch there. this out. See what it is. The Vention Castle at Narusa. It's a 14th century. Let's go check out inside. Cool little city though. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. They wanted a quick picture, so I helped them out. Oh wow. Okay, so we finished up here in Narusa, and now we are heading for the Golden Beach in Peruse. It's like a 30-minute moped ride. Well, it might be longer because our mopeds are just 50cc, so they're a little slower, but that's what we're heading to next. So we'll bring you along to that so you guys can see the island of Peruse, and then we'll head back later this evening. So I'll take you guys along. As you guys can tell from that time lapse that I'm making right now, not even time lapse, from the video I'm recording right now, the sunset is unreal. It's gorgeous. I'll bring you guys around. We're actually pulled up to this church right here. You can peek over it. Wanted to go ahead and end this video here. I will be in Peruse for another week, but there's not much more to record. If I continue to record, it will kind of be the same thing, and I'm not trying to be repetitive on the videos that I put out. I'm just more showing each island and some of the things that I found great at each island. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to throw in a little clip of this guy playing some instrument from this morning's breakfast. I'm not sure what it's called. If you guys could leave a comment in the description for what the name of this instrument is. I cannot think of it for the life of me. So I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video this week. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. It does mean a lot. It does mean a lot when you guys subscribe. It helps me out as I grow my channel. I am just a little channel, so I'm trying my best to put out content as much as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We'll end it off here with a drone shot of Peruse, the capital, which is where I'm staying. And I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful sunset. Thank you so much for watching my video.